Let's read the chapter The Triumph of Surgery. I was really worried about Tricky this time. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked. Here, who is I? I is the narrator. So he is the doctor, James. He's really worried that Tricky इतना मोटा हो गया, he is being overfed. That is why उसकी तबीयत बार बार ख़राब हो रही है. So Mrs. Bump and so he suggests that he should be looked after. Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to explain. Hastened matlab quickly slow down. Quickly told her that he was listless. Mr. Harriet, James Harriet, name of the doctor. He seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. So I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up. सो मिसेज़ पम्फ्री कहती है कि मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा कमज़ोर हो गया है, तो मैं मील्स के बीच में भी इसको खाना दे रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि ये माल न्यूट्रिशन हो रहा है. सो आई हैव बीन गिविंग हिम सम लिटिल एक्स्ट्राज बिटवीन मील्स टू बिल्ड हिम अप, सम मॉल्ट and cod liver oil, a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? क्या तुमने उसका मीठा कम किया? Oh, I did for a bit, but he seemed to be so weak. कह रहा है मैंने सोचा कि इसका मीठा कम करूँ, लेकिन इतना कमज़ोर फील करता है ये कि I didn't feel like reducing it. I had to relent. Relent means I had to be easy. He does love cream cakes and chocolates, and so I cannot bear to refuse him. उसको cream cakes और chocolates इतनी पसंद हैं और मेरा बिल्कुल उसको मना करने का मन नहीं करता है. I looked down again at the little dog. That was the trouble. Tricky's only fault was greed. Tricky को लालची था. He had never been down to refuse food. वो कभी भी खाना खाने को मना नहीं करता था. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night, and I wondered about all the things Mrs. Mumphrey had not mentioned. Are you giving him plenty of exercise? Well, he has his little walks when with me, as you can see. कह रहा छोटी छोटी वॉक्स कर रहे हैं मेरे साथ, ऐसा देख सकते हो आप. बट हॉकिन उसके गार्डनर का नाम है. द गार्डनर हैड बीन डाउन विद लम्बैगो इज़ बॉडी एक, उसके पेट में दर्द है. सो देयर हैज़ बीन no ring throwing lately. Ring throwing is a game which has not been there. I tried to sound fair. Now I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right down and give him some exercise, he is going to be really sick. So the doctor says that अगर तुमने इसका खाना कम नहीं किया तो ये पक्का से बहुत ज़्यादा बीमार हो जाएगा. You must harden your heart. तुम्हें अपना दिल पत्थर करना पड़ेगा. Keep him on a very strict diet, और strict diet देनी पड़ेगी. Mrs. Pumphrey wrung her hands. अपने हाथों से हाथ ऐसे दबाए. So I will, Mr. Harriet. I am sure you are right, but it is so difficult, so very difficult. She set off, head down along the road. आगे चलने लग गई, head नीचे करके, as if determined to put the new regime means new routine into the practice immediately. कि वो नया routine बनाएगी अपने dog की practice का. Regime means routine. I watched their progress with growing concern. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats. Tottering means walking along with the tweed coat. For the cold weather, a raincoat for the wet days. He struggled on, drooping in his harness. Harness क्या होती है? वो जो रस्सी उसको बांधी जाती है उसके गले में. I thought it would not be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. कहता है कि मैं सोच ही रहा था अपने मन में कि बहुत जल्दी मिसेस पम्फ्री को मेरी ज़रूरत पड़ने वाली है. The expected call came within a few days. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. Distraught means she was very upset and disturbed. Tricky would eat nothing. Tricky कुछ भी नहीं खा रहा था. Refused even his favorite dishes, and besides he had bouts of vomiting, और vomitings भी कर रहा था. He spent all his time lying on the rug. लेटा हुआ है कारपेट के ऊपर. Panting means लंबी लंबी सांस ले रहा है और डिस्टर्बेंस से जब हम breathless हो जाते हैं kind of. Did not want to go for walks. Did not want to do anything, and he never wanted to go for walks or do anything. I had made my plans in advance. The only way to get Tricky out of the house for a period, I suggested that he be hospitalized for about fortnight to be kept under observation. What is fortnight? 15 days at least. The poor lady almost swooned. Swoon means वो इतनी हैरान और shocked हो गई और वो sad हो गई. She was sure he would pine and die if he did not see her every day. He would pine and die मतलब he would creep and he would not be happy about the fact that he will not be able to see his owner every day. But I took a firm line. लेकिन मैंने, डॉक्टर कहता है, मैंने एक फर्म स्टैंड लिया कि ट्रिकी वॉज वेरी इल एंड दिस वॉज दी ओनली वे टू सेव हिम. ट्रिकी बहुत ज़्यादा बीमार है और यही एक तरीका है कि ट्रिकी को हम बचा सकते हैं. इनफैक्ट आई थॉट इट बेस्ट टू टेक हिम विदाउट डिले, और मैंने सोचा कि उसको इमीडिएटली लेके जाना चाहिए. एंड फॉलोड बाय मिसेस पम्फ्री वेलिंग्स. वेलिंग्स इज क्राइंग. शी वॉज क्राइंग आउट ऑफ पेन दैट शी इज़ गेटिंग डिपार्टेड फ्रॉम हर क्यूट डॉग whom she loved a lot. I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in the blanket. मैं डॉग को अपनी कार में रैप करते हुए लेकर गया. The entire staff was roused and maids rushed in and out bringing his day bells. उसके हर टाइम सोने के लिए डिफरेंट चीज़ें और डिफरेंट बेड्स, डिफरेंट कोट्स, हर चीज़ थी. So what they did was they were bringing that again and again so that the dog could feel comfortable. Favorite cushions, toys and rubber rings, breakfast bowls, lunch bowls, soup, supper bowls. Supper होता है main meal of the day, that is dinner bowls. Realizing that my car would never hold all the stuff. और मैंने ये बात रियलाइज़ कर ली कि इतना सामान तो मेरी गाड़ी में आ ही नहीं सकता है. आई स्टार्टेड टू ड्राइव अवे. मैं गाड़ी चलाकर आगे बढ़ा. एज आई मूव्ड ऑफ, जैसे ही मैं थोड़ा आगे बढ़ा, मिसेस पम्फ्री विद अ डिस्पेयरिंग क्राई थ्रू एन आर्म फुल ऑफ लिटिल कोट्स थ्रू द विंडो. उसने कुछ कोट्स थे जो विंडो में से फेंक दिए. आई लुक्ड इन द मिरर बिफोर आई टर्न द कॉर्नर ऑफ द ड्राइव. एवरीबडी वॉज इन टीयर्स. द होल हाउस वॉज इन टीयर्स बिकॉज दे वर डिपार्टिंग द dog. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seal by my side. एक छोटा सा एनिमल था जो मेरे साइड पर गैस्प कर रहा था. आई पैटेड द हेड एंड ट्रिकी मेड अ ब्रेव एफर्ट टू wag its tail. उसने उस डॉग को देखकर थोड़ी अपनी पूंछ हिलाई. पुअर ओल्ड लैड मतलब पुअर ओल्ड बॉय. आई सेड यू हैवंट अ किक इन यू बट आई थिंक आई नो अ क्योर फॉर यू. कह रहा है मुझे लगता है तेरे अंदर जान भी नहीं है कि तू हिल कर खेल सके, बट आई एम श्योर कि यू आर गोइंग टू बी एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, क्योंकि मुझे तेरा इलाज अच्छे से मालूम है. आई नो हाउ यू नीड टू बी ट्रीटेड. एट द सर्जरी द हाउस होल्ड डॉग्स सर्ज्ड अराउंड हिम. जितने भी घर में उसके हॉस्पिटल में डॉग्स थे वो सारे उसके आसपास इकट्ठे हो गए. The household dog surged around him. Tricky looked down at the noisily pack. Noisily pack here refers to pack of dogs with dull eyes, and when put down lay motionless on the carpet. Carpet के ऊपर फिर से motionlessly लेट गया. The other dogs, after sniffing around him, sniffing means smelling around him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. और सब के सब उसको ignore कर कर आगे चले गए. I made up a bed for him in the warm loose box next to one where other dogs slept. For 2 days I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. At the end of the second day he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. So जब उसने डॉग्स को सुनना शुरू किया, whimper means a low weak cry of a person or an animal which is made when they are hurt, frightened or sad. जब वो डर जाते हैं या sad हो जाते हैं. So he began to whimper looking at dogs in the yard. After 2 days when I opened the door, Tricky trotted out. Trotted out means walked out and was immediately engulfed by Joe. Joe is a name of dog. The greyhound. Greyhound एक dog होता है. Hounds are called wild dogs. बड़े बड़े ऊंचे ऊंचे. And his friends. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. Tricky followed them. सारे के सारे dogs garden में चले गए. Tricky ने उनको follow किया. Rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Rolling slightly मतलब धीरे धीरे चलकर गया. Surplus is large amount of fat was there in his body and he could not run quickly. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan sloped the food into the bowls. There was the usual headlong rush, followed by the sounds of high speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. सब वहाँ पे सब डॉग्स को पता था कि उनको compete करना पड़ेगा अपना फूड लेने के लिए, और अगर अभी वो अपना फूड नहीं लेंगे तो the food they have will be left behind and they will have to fight for the last bite. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk around the shining bowls, licking casually inside or two of them. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. Jostling means fighting his way towards his own bowl so that he could feed himself. So he had gone active and had gone better. He was pushing them against everybody in the crowd basically so as to make a space for himself to eat the food. From then on, his progress was rapid. Rapid means quick. फिर से वो improve करने लगा. He had no medical treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on, squashed every few minutes. He became an accepted member of the gang, an unlikely, silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life. So he was enjoying with all the dogs, doing all the activities which the dogs were doing. He was confused. He was rough. He was struggling to reach to his things. Scrimmages का मतलब होता है rough or confused. So he was doing all the activities like a normal dog, playing with them amongst the shaggy crew. What is shaggy? जो dirty गंदे dogs होते हैं. All the while, Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the backyard. वो पीछे से खड़े होकर सब देखती थी. Ringing a dozen times a day. She used to call dozen times a day. 12 बार कई बार कॉल करती थी डॉक्टर को जानने के लिए कि how is her dog day for the latest bulletins. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather, but I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. Convalescing means recovering from the illness, and he was getting better with his strength, and he was getting his strength better after such horrible illness. The word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. She started to bring round fresh eggs. फिर से उन्होंने जब उसने सुना कि मिसेस पम्फ्री ने कि वो ठीक हो रहा है, उसने उसके लिए fresh eggs 2 dozens at a time to build up Tricky's strength. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs ईच फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट. कह रहे हैं मैंने और मेरे जो पार्टनर्स थे जो मुझे हेल्प करते थे हॉस्पिटल में, हमने 2 eggs एवरी डे खाए. एंड व्हेन द बॉटल्स ऑफ वाइन बिगेन टू अराइव, अब जब वाइन की बॉटल्स उसके डॉग के लिए मिसेस पम्फरी लाने लगी, द रियल पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ द सिचुएशन बिगेन टू डॉन ऑन द हाउस होल्ड. इट वॉज टू एनरिच ट्रिकीज़ ब्लड. बेसिकली वो आ रही थी ट्रिकी के ब्लड को बढ़ाने के लिए. लंच बिकेम अ सेरेमोनियल ओकेजन विद 2 glasses ऑफ वाइन. सो हम सब के सब 2 glasses ऑफ वाइन लंच में ही पीने लगे, बिफोर एंड सेवरल ड्यूरिंग द मील. और काफ़ी सारे हमने लंच के हम साथ में पिए हमने ड्यूरिंग द मील. वी कुड हार्डली बिलीव इट व्हेन द ब्रांडी केम टू पुट अ फाइनल एज ऑन ट्रिकीज़ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. कह रहे वी वर रियली शॉक्ड कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं कि उसके लिए आप ट्रिकी के लिए आप ब्रांडी लेकर आ रहे हैं उसकी बॉडी को स्ट्रेंथन करने के लिए. फॉर अ फ्यू नाइट्स द फाइन स्पिरिट वॉज रोल्ड राउंड, इनहेल्ड एंड रेवरेंटली ड्रंक. कह रहे हैं हम कुछ रातों के लिए तो वी हैड इट. देयर वर डेज ऑफ डीप कंटेंट, डीप सेटिस्फैक्शन, स्टार्टिंग वेल with the extra egg in the morning and improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. So we were the one who were enjoying these drinks instead of the owner. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on a permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was waiting collection. We thought that the dog should be kept with us because he is not going to have a better health anywhere else, but it was very clear to Mr. James Harriet that it was time. After 15 days Mrs. Pumphrey will be informed, and she is really anxious that the dog should come back. So they called her and She came within minutes after 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. एक बढ़िया सी गाड़ी बाहर आकर खड़ी होगी. The chauffeur opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in the interior. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? क्या सच में बताओ क्या ये ठीक है? Yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him. कार से निकलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मैं आपके डॉग को अभी लेकर आता हूँ. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn. In their midst, ears flapping, tall waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, हार्ड मसल्ड एनिमल. लीथ क्या होता है? अ फ्लेक्सिबल मूविंग डॉग हु इज़ रियली फ्लेक्सिबल. मतलब उसकी बॉडी बड़ी फ्लेक्सिबल हो गई थी. एंड ही हैड गॉन बेटर. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack. Pack means with the other dogs, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. उसकी chest almost ground को touch कर रही थी. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw him, और जैसे ही Tricky ने उसको देखा, मिस्ट्रेस को देखा, ही टुक ऑफ फ्रॉम हिज आर्म्स. वो जेम्स की आर्म से हटता है एंड इनटू अ ट्रेमेंडस लीप, और एक बड़ी सी छलांग मारता है एंड सेल्ड इनटू मिसेस मम्फ्रीज लैप, और मिसेस मम्फ्री की गोद में लेट जाता है. शी गेव अ स्टार्टल्ड ओह. स्टार्टल्ड मीन्स शॉक्ड ओह. एंड देन had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licked her, hugged her, licking her face and barking. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds. मैंने chauffeur को बोला कि सारा का सारा सामान इसका बाहर ले आ, toys, cushions, coats, balls, none of which had been used, जो एक बार भी मिस्टर जेम्स हैरियट की हॉस्पिटल में यूज़ नहीं किया गया. As his car moved away, Mrs. Mumphrey leaned out of the window, tears shone in her eyes, her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriet, she cried, how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery. कह रहे मैं तुम्हें ज़िंदगी में thank नहीं कर सकती. This is a real triumph over the surgery, as the dog had been groomed in the best and the real way. I am thankful to you for looking after my dog and improving him.